Okay, welcome to episode 3, and today we have the Moto Guzzi, as they say in Italy, or just Moto Guzzi in the UK, the V7 Stone. Now I have to say that if I was to buy this one, it wouldn't be this particular one, it would be the special, because that's good. To me, it looks a bit nicer, a bit more retro feel, kind of chrome on it, and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, certainly a good looking machine. So I've got to say I've been looking forward to this one. Ooh. Oh, it's low. It's really low. There you go. Oh, that sounds pretty nice, I have to say. Yeah, you see now 3,000 revs. Definitely some vibration through the pegs. Yeah, and through the seat, I can feel vibration through the seat. It feels now that it's ready to change up. Doesn't feel particularly maneuverable. Right. Feels quite heavy, actually. Oh, I was looking forward to this bike, honestly, and now I'm kind of thinking it's not actually that great. Okay, so let's start. Style. Yeah, I think I like this style. Definitely. I think it's it's got that late 70s, 80s vibe to it. I really like that. You can imagine yourself, in the Riviera. This looks like the one I'd need. It's got that kind of, you can imagine yourself on the Riviera enjoying this bike with a lady, good looking Italian lady or French lady on the back. Definitely, it's got that 100%. So that's 10 out of 10 for style. Sound. Yeah, I think it sounds good. It doesn't strike me as much as I think the sound is good. In terms of like actually hearing it, in terms of actually, like, you see, I don't feel confident. I'm sorry if you have this bike and you love it. I don't feel confident on this bike. Sound, no, it definitely sounds good. Like, I think it sounds good. I think it could definitely use an aftermarket exhaust, though. Absolutely needs one. Whereas, the Bonneville and the Interceptor, they don't need one, in my opinion. They sound good out of the box. Yeah, see, it snatches. It's like... So I think it sounds good, but it could be modified to sound better. Right, maneuverability. just gonna say it. I hate it. It doesn't fill me with confidence. Feels heavy. I tell you what, it does make a nice sound. I'm gonna give the sound a 10 out of 10. I don't think I did that. Yeah, maneuverability, I hate it. I hate it. It's slow. I hate it. Hate it slowly. I hate it fast. It just doesn't fill me with confidence. So I'm sorry to say, but I'm probably, what do you do? Like, what score do I give it out of 10? Oh, it's lovely around here, actually. The White Bear Pub looks very nice. Wait, am I even? It says Croydon that way. Let's go that way. Maneuverability, what can I give it? I mean, I feel like I can't give it 0, but it's down low. I mean, I'm just gonna say 2, 3. Let's say 3. I'll be generous. 3. I don't like it. It just feels so cumbersome. Okay, power. Yeah, it's definitely got power. Absolutely. It sits between the Interceptor and the Bonnevilles, the 900 Bonneville, and yeah, it's plenty of power. Absolutely. I wouldn't have a problem with this at all. But what I would say is the power is very snatchy and full on. It's not, it's not as smooth at all. Well, it's got plenty. You can see that. So I think for me, I mean, obviously the power on the Bonneville was 10 out of 10. I mean, I'd give it the same, to be honest. I know it's got slightly less torque and slightly less power, but for me, it's absolutely fine. I have no problem with this power, at least at the moment. I know you say you go out of power, don't you? But for the moment, fourth gear, that was quite easy to get up to power. Brakes seemed good as well. So yeah, power 10 out of 10. Okay, so then we get on to ability to customize. Now, I think that's one area where this, unless you're really going to customize, like, and by that I mean make your own parts, and there doesn't seem to be a lot of customization options out there for it. Yeah, there doesn't seem to be a lot. I mean, when I look for aftermarket tail tidies, for example, it literally comes up with one option online, and that's like 300-400 quid, I think. Same with exhausts. It doesn't seem to be a lot. I wouldn't need to customize a lot on the Special, if I'm honest, because I really like the looks of it. I think it would just be that tail tidy for me, cleaning that up. Yeah, so probably for customization, I'm gonna give it a 4. because it just doesn't seem to be much. And maybe, you know, someone can correct me on that. Then affordability, yeah, it's affordable. It's, if I can't remember exactly, it's about $7 grand, I think, something like that. You know, that's affordable. I think it's slightly more than the Interceptor, but I think it's slightly more bike than the Interceptor. So you know, you're so yeah, affordable. What do I can't remember what I said now. I think it's a 7. Yeah. And then I think that's it, isn't it? I think that's it. So far, where am I going to put this? I mean, it's really sad for me to do this, but I think it's bottom of the list. I was really looking forward to this bike. But it just doesn't fill me with confidence. It you know, I feel very much like it's controlling me, not the other way around, and that's not what you want, is it, from a bike? You know, even then, like, it comes to a stop and it feels like it's going to tip over, which I don't like. Yeah, I think it's at the bottom. So it's going Moto Guzzi V7, Interceptor, and then Triumph Bonneville T100, which is, yeah, like I say, sad. I was looking forward to this one. It's definitely got character, no doubt about it, but as I say, it's in control of me. I'm not in control of it, and as a new rider, I don't feel confident with that at all. Oh, look at these roads are miserable. Now, how do I get back? Huh? What? That's no good. I'm in neutral. Okay. Oh, that's a bit dodgy.